Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to add mixed numbers. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Let's get started. First off, what is a mixed number? A mixed number is a number that has a whole number and a fraction together, like 2.5 or 3 3/4. 2 by itself isn't a mixed number, it's a whole number. And 1/2 isn't a mixed number, it's a fraction. But put the two together, and it gives you a mixed number. Now, let's look at how to add mixed numbers by following these simple steps. First, add the whole numbers. Let's say we have 2 1/5 plus 3 3/5. First, add the whole numbers. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Next, add the fractions. Now, let's add 1/5 plus 3/5. To do this, we need to first check if the denominators are the same. When adding fractions, the denominators have to match. We'll go over finding the common denominator in fractions that don't match in a future video. The denominators in our fractions match, so we're good to continue adding our fractions. Add the numerators, 1 plus 3, which gives us 4. The denominator stays the same, so we just copy 5 in this place. Now, put it all together. We take the whole number, 5, and add the fraction, 4/5. This gives us our answer, 5 4/5. Let's try another one, 4 3/10 plus 6 5/10. Do you remember the first step? That's right. We add our whole numbers together, 4 plus 6, which gives us 10. Now for step 2, adding the fractions. First, check the denominators and make sure they match. Looks like we're good here. Next, we just add the numerators together. 3 plus 5 equals 8, so our fraction is 8/10. Now we just put it all together. Our answer is 10 8/10. Let's do one more, but this time we're going to add in an extra step. 4 4/7 plus 3 5/7. First, add the whole numbers. 4 plus 3, which gives us 7. Now add the fractions. The denominators already match, so we just add the numerators. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Now let's put it all together. That gives us 7 9/7. Good job, but we're not done yet. When the numerator is larger than the denominator, that's what we call an improper fraction. An improper fraction means that we have more than a whole in fraction form. We don't want it written this way, so we need to make the numerator less than the denominator. Here's what we do. Take the fraction and see how many times the numerator can be divided by the denominator. 7 goes into 9 one time, so we have another one whole number. Let's add that to our total. Instead of 7, we now have 8. Now we need to finish finding our fraction. 7 went into 9 one time, leaving just 2 remaining. That remaining number is what goes in our numerator spot, so we put the 2 there and then the denominator stays the same as before, which is 7. Now we just add this to our whole number and that gives us our final answer, 8 2/7. Great job. Adding mixed numbers is easy when you break it into steps. 1. Add the whole numbers. 2. Add the fractions. 3. Put everything together. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun math lessons. See you next time on Learn This.